Your transmission is the heart of how your car moves, and seeing a warning light for your fluid level can be a real heart stopper. When your vehicle throws the code P070C, it means the powertrain control module has detected a circuit low condition in the transmission fluid level sensor. This is a generic code, which means it can pop up on your Ford or Chevrolet or even a Toyota, but it is actually not that common to see in the shop. Your transmission fluid level sensor is basically a gatekeeper that tells your dash to light up if the fluid gets too low, so you do not burn up your gears. In a normal situation, when your fluid is at the right level, the switch stays grounded, but if that fluid drops below a certain point, the switch opens up, and you get that scary warning on your instrument cluster. The computer sends out a reference voltage, usually 5 or 12 volts, and it monitors that circuit constantly. If it sees a low signal, it usually means you have a short somewhere in the wiring. You might notice your check engine light is on, or even feel the transmission acting a bit strange when you are driving down the road. This is a moderate to severe issue, because if you really are low on fluid, you could cause thousands of dollars in damage to the internal clutches and bands. To fix this, you should first grab a rag and check your actual fluid level and see what color it is. If the fluid looks good and is at the right level, you need to look at the wiring and the sensor itself for any loose plugs or melted wires. You will want to get your digital multimeter out and set it to DC volts to check for that reference voltage coming from the computer. If you have no power there, you might have an open circuit or a rare issue with the powertrain control module itself. Also check the ground side with the ohm setting to make sure you have continuity to the chassis. If the wiring and the power look perfect but the code stays, then the sensor inside the transmission is likely dead and needs to be replaced. Do not ignore this one, because a dry transmission is a dead transmission, and keeping those gears lubricated is the only way to stay on the road.